In this video, we will learn how to use shake and snap in Windows. Just click on the notepad and just shake it. So here you see the other app will disappear. If you want to come back again, just shake again, the other app show again. So this is a way you can use the shake option. And the second option here, the snap. If you want to set the outlook in the right side, you press the shortcut key window logo key plus right arrow. And if you want to set the outlook in the right left side, then you can press the window logo key left arrow. So I just click on the outlook and press the window logo key left arrow. The outlook is set in left side. Now I want to set this. So this is a way you can use the left arrow and right arrow to set the. I just press now window logo key right arrow. Therefore outlook is set in the right side. So this is a way you can use the shake and snap for. Okay, hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.